No doubt your question is very meaningful. It's quite difficult to feel happy and joyful when all around you situations are negative. If you are suffering from problems of this type or that type and you are being nagged by the situations, it becomes not only difficult but rather impossible to remain normal. However, I am going to offer you certain tips. If you sincerely pay attention to them, you can be happy and joyful amidst most difficult situations, most trying times, most unpleasant and negative situations. For example, whenever negativity is prevailing in your mind, just take the immediate step of remembering something pleasant, something beautiful that occurred some time earlier. Once you start thinking about that pleasant situation, when you will start thinking about that beautiful thought, after a little while, the beauties and pleasantries of that situation will drown you into joyfulness. And the state of anxiety and tension and negativity will start disappearing. Always remember that pleasant thoughts have more energy, more power to prevail over the negative ones. So, whenever negativity is catching hold of you, remember to find out, to seek situations of beauty and joy. The situations of beauty and joy which have occurred earlier or which you can visualize as a result of something being done or to be done in due course of time. However, it will affect your present moment in a positive way instantly. So, the first trick is to change your gear from negative thought to positive thought instantly. Secondly, develop the habit of using power words in your daily routine. It means understand the impact that the powerful words play in dealing with situations of your life. You should never forget that the words you use are of great importance. Great orators like Winston Churchill, Abraham Lincoln, J.L. Nehru and others, they could affect the fate of the whole nation and they could change the course of history only by virtue of the power of their words. And even after their death, they have been a source of inspiration to the new generations simply because of the words they used. Therefore, in your daily life, you never use weak words like I am disappointed, I am worried, I am sad, I am depressed, I am feeling angry, I am annoyed. These are very negative and powerless words. In place of these words, manage to use empowering words, encouraging words for others also, so that they may feel the impact of your words, of your vocabulary. If you say, I can do it, I will do it, and encourage others, you can do it, I know you will do it. If you speak like this will change the whole atmosphere. It will change the attitude of even those who are around you, and even your own mind and mood will be uplifted. So never forget, your words have great power. They can have devastating impact, at the same time they can have uplifting impact. Use power words, develop the habit of using power words so that your words can be uplifting. They can uplift the mind and moods of others. They will be useful in uplifting your own mind and mood, whatever be the situation around you. Thirdly, a very powerful technique to throw away negativity from your life is, whenever negative thoughts arise in you, you must supplement it with the word but. that is popular as butt technique. Never allow any negative thought to pass away as it is. Always add the word but with it and see the magic. For example, if you happen to speak that I am afraid of falling sick, it would be better to say I am afraid of falling sick, but I know in view of the strong power of immunity which I have, I cannot fall ill. And whatever negative thoughts come to your mind, always manage to add but with it. Once you add but and then you leave the thought, you will find that negativity has started being transformed into positivity. And finally, I am going to offer you the master thought capsule technique. Whenever negative thoughts have started hovering your head and you start feeling that it is certainly very difficult to fulfill your dream or desire, then manage to remember the master thoughts of your life. For example, this can be one of the master thoughts of one's life, that the existence which has given you the dream and desire, the same existence is bound to fulfill it. Otherwise, it would have not given you the dream and desire for the same. If you remain conscious of such master thoughts, negativity will be automatically taken care of. Negativity will start dropping down on its own. You should try to prepare your own master thought capsules, which you must use at emergency weapons to counter negativity in your life. Another example of a master thought capsule: every day, in every way, I am feeling better and better. Every day, in every way, I am feeling better and better. And likewise, coin your own master thought capsules according to your own needs, requirements, and inner inclinations. Thank you.